So in my last video I made a enclosure for my 3D printer, but I realized I also need a shelf. So I could use the same brackets from the shelf and make a PVC shelf. So I'll do a quick time lapse on assembling this. So for this you'll need a mallet. You'll need a mallet. Wrong snap. I need a mallet. There's where my pliers went. There we go. So here's a pile of items to start with. I've got corner brackets that are designed to go at different right angles. The bottom corner brackets that I shared in my previous video, as well as the clamps. And up here I've got the chloroplast board that's already cut to size. So let's get this cleaned up. Okay, once you have all your pieces laid out, go ahead and start building. So it's going to be in 3 layers, and I'll post the instructions on my blog at 3dpt.club. So this is the completed shelf. Using these corner brackets, it just holds the chloroplast in place, and it could hold some weight, but if you want to secure it, use some of these clips here in the center. And for the center piece, the chloroplast actually acts like your strap holds it in, so these are just M3 nuts and bolts, and leaves a nice lip for you so nothing rolls off. And bottom shelf you could put like shoes or anything else. So here's the completed shelf. I'll post information about the dimensions and procedures on my blog at 3dpt.club.